Hello, Healthy Eats and Wisdom family. Today, under our Wisdom and Knowledge playlist, we are going to discuss an intriguing topic: jobs that can be replaced by AI and robotics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and robotics are technological advancements that hold the potential to revolutionize the world of work. From automating mundane tasks to performing complex operations, these technologies are set to redefine numerous jobs as we know them. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. In our rapidly advancing world, several jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI and robotics. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence has been a game changer, making it possible to automate tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. Let's take manufacturing jobs, for instance. These roles often involve repetitive tasks that can be easily programmed into a machine. Robots can keep going for hours without tiring, unlike their human counterparts. They can work in hazardous conditions without risk, and their precision is unparalleled. Now, consider drivers. Autonomous vehicles are no longer a thing of the future. They are here and have the potential to revolutionize transportation. With their advanced sensors and sophisticated algorithms, these AI-powered vehicles can navigate roads with an efficiency and safety level that surpasses human drivers. And then we have customer service representatives. Ever interacted with a chatbot? That's an AI at work. These digital assistants can handle multiple queries simultaneously, providing round-the-clock service without the need for breaks. They can quickly access vast amounts of data to provide accurate information, all while maintaining consistent levels of professionalism and patience. These are just a few examples. The truth is, any job that involves routine tasks and doesn't require a high level of creativity or emotional intelligence could potentially be automated. But it's not all doom and gloom. Yes, the landscape of employment is shifting. But what about specific industries like healthcare? Are they immune to this trend? Let's find out in our next segment. The healthcare industry is not immune to this technological revolution. As we move forward, even the roles that we once considered as solely human are beginning to blur at the edges. Take, for instance, diagnostic technicians. Their role involves analyzing patient data and making diagnostic decisions. However, AI systems equipped with machine learning algorithms can sift through vast datasets far more rapidly and accurately, reducing human error and providing quicker diagnoses. Similarly, pharmacists, who are responsible for dispensing medications and advising on their use, could also be replaced. Robots don't tire, they don't make errors of judgment, and they can manage a vast inventory of medicines with perfect precision. Automated dispensing systems are already in use in some hospitals, ensuring that patients get the right medication at the right time. Even surgeons, whose job requires a high degree of skill and precision, are not immune. Robotic surgery systems, like the Da Vinci surgical system, are already assisting in operations, providing enhanced stability and precision. While they are currently controlled by human surgeons, improvements in AI could potentially automate even this complex task. But remember, these aren't replacements that will eliminate the need for human healthcare professionals. Rather, they are tools that can help minimize errors, improve efficiency, and allow our healthcare providers to focus on what they do best: caring for patients. It's a brave new world for the healthcare industry, indeed. These changes may seem daunting, but they also present opportunities. The advent of AI and robotics in the job market is not a signal for doom, but rather a wake-up call to adapt, evolve, and grow. The key to thriving in this rapidly shifting landscape lies in our ability to learn and embrace these technological advancements. Let's see this as a challenge, an opportunity to expand our knowledge and skills. Understanding AI and robotics can open new doors, bring forth innovative roles that we've never imagined before. It's not about being replaced, it's about working hand in hand with these technologies to create a more efficient, productive, and exciting future. Remember, it's not the strongest species that survive nor the most intelligent, but the ones most responsive to change. The future may be AI and robotics, but it's humans who will steer the course. So, we've seen how AI and robotics could reshape our job market and even our healthcare industry. From general jobs to healthcare professions, the dawn of AI and robotics isn't a threat, but a call to adapt and innovate. The key takeaway here is to embrace the change, continually learn, and stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. Stay curious, continue learning, and until next time, this is Healthy Eats and Wisdom signing off.